There are times when some settings might cause issues to your phone's normal operation, and more often than not, it's difficult to determine what those settings are. That's why it's important to know how to reset iPhone settings for this purpose. This method is also effective in addressing some software-related issues as it brings your iPhone back to its factory default settings. In other words, if you did this, it's just like you did the factory reset, only that none of your files will be deleted. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Scroll down a little bit and tap General. Scroll all the way down and then tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. If prompted, enter your passcode. Tap Reset all settings at the bottom of the screen. Tap Reset all settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will now reset all the settings and reboot. Just wait until your device has finished the reset. When your iPhone has finished rebooting, all settings have already been reset, so set your iPhone the way you see fit. I hope that this simple tutorial has been able to help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling the notifications. Thanks for watching.